So good day everyone. Today in section 14, this tutorial is to help us be able to change the color of a particular dress. So you can see that the color of this particular dress is a purple and the color of this particular dress is white. Actually, this was the original image downloaded from FreePix. This was the original image, the white in color, but it was able to be transformed to this particular color. So let's see how we did it without wasting time. So I just want to copy the original image so that I can open a new page. Let me copy it. Okay. So I'm in a new page now. So let me just paste it. It's like I copied everything, so I just want to delete one of the pictures. Sorry for the delay. My system was lagging a little bit, so that's why we had those delays. So let's just dive in. Expanding the picture now so that at least I can get the exact shape of my frame. Okay, so without wasting much time, I just want to start by picking the pen tool. Remember, I told you that the reason for this tutorial is to change the dress color of any individual at all. You want to change the dress color, you can go ahead to change it. So just trace with your pen tool. Make sure that your tracing is neat. Just take it gradually. Take it gradually. If you can't see your tracing line, then it means you need to zoom in. You need to zoom in. Is it zoom in or zoom out now? You know, by the time you are zooming in, you are enlarging your picture to see the picture, closely. So I think it's zooming. So try zooming so that you can see the picture closely. enlarge the picture so that you can be able to pick every single angle and dimension of what you are tracing. I don't want to waste my time zooming in now because of, I'm working with time. I just want to make this video available in a short space of time. So, but make sure while you are doing yours, especially when you are working for a client, make sure that you zoom in properly so that you won't make mistakes in your tracing. And remember, if you have been following me in some of my classes, I taught how to also use the curve tool. I taught us how to use the curve tool. So, for instance, if you are to use the curve tool, you need to also zoom in so that you can see exactly the areas you need to curve, apply your curve, so that you can either curve in or curve out to maintain the shapes and curves while tracing. So I'm almost getting to the end of my trace. Always remember that you must close the traced line with the node. Okay, let's just move it to locate the node where I started. So you can see we have intersection. If I wave my hand up a little, you see intersection. If I wave my hand this way, you see edge. If I now wave my hand, you see node. So this place where you see this node, just double click or tap on it so that you can close. So I have closed my trace. Now, you can just drop your tool. Ctrl+Space bar will help you drop your tool, which I've done. Now that I have dropped my tool, the next thing I'll need to do now is to highlight both images. Remember, if I drag this out, you see that I have actually placed a mask on the shirt. So let me Ctrl+Z to go back. I have gone back. Now you need to highlight this masked shirt or dress and then highlight the image also. There are two alternatives, whichever one is faster for you. If you want to, while this one is being highlighted, just press the shift key and also highlight this one so you can see it. And once it is highlighted, you will see these tabs here. This one is weld, this one is trim. So, and the second alternative to highlight is just to bring your mouse here, your cursor here, and then right click and drag. Make sure that you drag the box to highlight everything. So if you can't do the first one I did, do the second one. The second one is much easier. So let's just continue. Now I want to go for intersect. This particular one, I have intersected. So that's it. Now that I have intersected, let's see what happens. Now I want to bring out the clothes. Can you see it? Before, if you take a look at my image, my video, when I am still here to intersect, it was only the traced marked line that came out, but now the clothes is now out. So let me still go back with Ctrl Z so that we can proceed. Now, what do I need to do now? I need to convert this shirt to bitmap. Okay, I guess before I do that also, let me just duplicate the original image with Ctrl+D so that I can keep it side by side while we work. Okay, let's just proceed. Okay, now this is the one I'm working on. Now I want to convert this area to bitmap and go up to the ribbons. You see the ribbons, select bitmap and then convert to bitmap. So once you have converted to bitmap, then the next thing you need to do, go back to that same bitmap now go to mode. You can see that my mode has been activated. If you followed me carefully, while I have not converted to bitmap, there was nothing here. If you observed carefully, but now I have converted to bitmap, I have activated these buttons or these actions. So now just go, you can select the grayscale. Okay. If you take a look at this and this, you will see that there is a slight difference. Now, let's still move on to effects. Go to adjust. The image adjustment lab is what I'm targeting. So it means we need to convert to bitmap. Let me convert it again. Convert to bitmap. Now go to effects. Effects. Adjust, and then the image adjustment lab has been activated. You can click on the image adjustment lab. Just hold on a little. Okay. So sorry for the slow nature of my system this particular hour. About Okay, let's go back. Okay, I've removed the traced line. So let me just concentrate on this one now, the exact one. Now let's go back to our effects, adjust image adjustment lab. Let me see if the lab will pick the clothes this time around, because what the lab picked was actually that frame, that traced line. So I think we picked the clothes this time around. So you can from here make your adjustments on the clothes. Okay, there's a slight challenge here. We picked the entire picture. So let's just go back. Okay, it was actually taking effect. It was taking effect. So let's continue. That's effects, image adjustment lab. Okay, so let's make our adjustments however we want to tune the color of the dress. Okay. If you want it very bright, fine. You increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. At the same time, add the contrast. Want to add shadows, you can add shadows. So just make sure you tune to however you want it to be. This one is, I clicked on auto adjust. Once you click on it, it can automatically reflect a new color. So you can play with these tools. This one is color dropper. You can use this to pick any color you want. I think I have taught how to use color dropper in the previous session. So any color you want, you can use the color dropper. So let's click on OK. Perfect. So I have changed the clothes now. So now that we have the clothes changed, we can just still click on effects and then go to blur. If you have fader blur, you can use it, but if you don't have fader blur, you can just choose the smart blur. Okay, and then adjust it to however you want it to be. So that it can give you a perfect contrast. Okay, that's that. You can practice it from your end, and then if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. So thank you and take care.